If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Or we can write like this: hours, and after hours be minutes, and then seconds. So from hour to minutes, we times by 60. And from minute to second, we times by 60 as well, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And then going backward, from second to minutes, so we divide by 60 instead of times 60. Similarly, from minutes to hours, we divide by 60 as well. Let's go through a few examples. So first one, so we want to convert 2 hours to minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So from hour to minutes, we times by 60. So therefore, which is 2 times 60. So 2 times 6 is 12. So therefore, we add a 0. So 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. Second one. So 3.5 hours. Again, from hours to minutes, we times by 60. So 3.5 times 60. So we can cancel this 0 and you move this on this side. So that becomes 35 times 6. So 35 times 6. So 6 times 5 equals 30. We carry 3 and 6 times 3 is 18. And yet 3 is 21. So the answer is 210 minutes. Or you can just use your calculator, 3.5 times 60. So which is 210 minutes. 3/5 of an hour. So we go 3, 5, and we just time by 60. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. And then 12 times 3 is 36. So the answer is 36 minutes. Again, if you like, you can also use your calculator. So it goes 3 over 5 times 60. But always try to do without calculator first. And you can't do it, then you use calculator. Okay? So that's 36 minutes. There you go. Next one. So we want to convert minutes into second. 1.3 minutes. So 1.3, now remember, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. From minute to seconds, we times by 60. But then going backward, we divide by 60. But in this case, from minutes to second. So from minute to second here. So we times by 60. 1.3 times 60. We move this decimal point right in the back here. So you cancel this 0. That is 13 times 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. You carry 1. And 6 times 1 is 6. Add 1 is 7. The answer is 78 seconds. Again, if you need to use calculator, so you just go 1.3 times 60. So 78 seconds. There you go. Next one, 3/5 of a minute. So to do this, again, we just go 3/5 times 60. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. And 12 times 3 is 36. So 36 seconds. Next one, 2 1/3 minutes. So to do this, so if you think about it, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 2 minutes it will give us 120 seconds if you like. And then a third of a minute, that means a third of 60, which is 20. So 20 seconds. So that means 2 and a third, if we add them up, that will give us 140 seconds. But you can also convert that mixed numeral into improper fractions, and then we just time by 60. Because from minute to second, we time by 60. So we go 3 times 2 is 6. And then we add this one here, becomes 7. So 7 over 3. And you times this by 60. So it goes 60 divided by 3 is 20. And then 20 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. And we just add a 0. So the answer is 140 seconds. Of course, you can use calculator. So you just go shift and press the mixed numeral fraction there. So you press the 2, we just go out, and we go 1, and press the arrow down, that becomes 3, and go out, and we just time by 60. That equals 140. There you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. First one. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So from hour to minutes, we times by 60. So now we just go 2.6 times 60. And we move this decimal point rather back, we cancel this 0. So that's become 26 times 6. So 26 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. So put the 3 on top. 2 times 6 is 12. Add 3 is 15. So 156. And do not forget, you need to write the units, so minutes. Let's check it out. 2.6 times 60. 156. Next one. 5/6 of a minute. So to do this, of course, we times by 60. So 5/6 times 60. So 60 divided by 6 is 10. So 10 times 5 is 50. So 50 seconds. Next one. 3 2/3 minutes. So to do this, which first of all, we convert this into improper fraction first. So you go 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 add 2 is 11. So 11 over 3. So 11 over 3 times by 60. So we go 60 divided by 3 is 20. And 11 times 2 is 22. And we need to add this 0, of course. So which is equal to 220. And the unit is seconds. So if you need to use calculator, by all means, but please show working out, okay? So let's check it out. I can just use calculator and show you how to do it. So we go shift, the fraction button, and press a 3, you go out, and you press a 2 here, and you go down, and press 3. Don't forget, you go out, press the arrow button, and you just time this by 60. There you go. But make sure you show working out. So 220 seconds. Next one. 0.3 hours to minutes. from hours to minutes, we times by 60. So 0.3 times 60. So we move this across and we cancel this out. So that becomes 3 times 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. So the answer is 18 minutes. So next one, 1 and 9/10 minutes to second. So again, we convert this into improper fractions first. So 10 times 1 is 10, add 9 is 19. So we write 19 over 10 times 60. So we cancel this out. So that becomes 19 times 6. So 19 times 6. 6 times 9 is 54. So we write 4 down and carry the 5. 6 times 1 is 6. Add 5 is 11. So the answer is 114 seconds. Last one. 4 and 9/10 of an hour to minutes. Again, we timed 10 by 4, which is 40. Add 9 is 49. So 49 over 10 hours times by 60. Because from hour to minutes, we times by 60. So this cancel out. So the answer is 49 times 6. So I just write it here. 49 times 6. 6 times 9 is 54. So we write the 5 on top. 6 times 4 is 24. And then we add 5, which is 29. So that is 294 minutes. Thank you so much for watching.